morning, Facebook. I'm Marissa, your social media guide for Ross Insurance, and I'm sitting here with Kevin Ross. And today's topic is, with a lot of the recent storms that have come and hit Western Mass, trees are down everywhere. So what we're going to talk about today is how your policy responds if a tree falls in your property, around your property.
Okay. Well, there's a couple of things you got to keep in mind. There's two things that can happen. Number one, the tree falls and you have to pay for removal costs. And your policy does respond to tree removal. If the tree falls on a piece of property, in other words, it hit your house, it hit your garage, your shed, your fence. If some of your property is damaged by the falling tree, the policy will pay, the standard policy will pay up to $500 in removal costs. Okay, so the important thing is to understand that it must damage your property before the policy will respond with the $500 of tree removal costs. Some companies offer enhancements that increase that coverage, but most policies respond with up to $500 for the tree removal.
Okay, so $500 for the tree,
Correct.
Maximum. Okay. So what happens if your property is damaged by a tree, like your car, a tree falls on your car? How does that respond?
Okay, that's interesting. Now we have to talk about the automobile policy, not the homeowners policy. And the automobile policy provides comprehensive coverage, which I believe is coverage number 11. In any case, comprehensive coverage will pay for damage to your vehicle if the tree falls on it. But it will not pay for the removal. Okay, so if the tree doesn't damage your property, only your car, the car policy pays for the damage to the car, but does not pay for the removal of the tree. Interesting and unfortunate.
Now, comprehensive coverage is not required by Massachusetts, but we highly recommend having it because in an instance where a tree falls on your car, I mean, what are you going to do? You don't...
That's exactly correct. And many times if a tree falls on your car, it's going to total your car.
Yeah.
So comprehensive is a very important coverage to have for many other reasons. And there's a long list of reasons why. And it's relatively inexpensive. So comprehensive is very important.
Definitely.
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you for meeting with me, Kevin. That's all the time that we have today. Make sure that you tune back in with us to find out more answers to insurance-related topics.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.